The monsoon session of Parliament is underway, and it's not just noise and walkouts. The government is introducing 8 new bills and is trying to pass 7 pending ones. And why should we care about this? Because 2 of them could have a direct impact on us. They could affect our income and even India's history. But before that, a quick background. In India, a bill becomes a law after going through both the houses of Parliament, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha, and after receiving the President's assent. Before that, it goes through introduction, debates, voting, and even changes sometimes. But most importantly, it is open for public feedback for at least 30 days. Now let's come back to the 2 bills that I initially mentioned. First, the Income Tax Bill 2025. It aims to replace the complex, decades-old Income Tax Act of 1961 that has been amended for over 4,000 times and is extremely confusing for the taxpayers. The new law does not change tax rates or policies, but it simplifies everything. The word count is cut by more than a half, obsolete provisions are removed, and legal jargons are replaced with plain language. The government says MSMEs and individual taxpayers will benefit the most because of easier compliance and fewer disputes. It also allows tax refunds for late filers, which will be a huge relief for small taxpayers and pensioners. If passed this session, this bill will take effect from April 1, 2026. Next, the Geo-Heritage Sites and Geo-Relics Preservation and Maintenance Bill of 2025. This lets the Union Government declare and protect geo-heritage sites across the country, with the Geological Survey of India being in charge. The GSI would also get powers to inspect and acquire geo-relics like fossils, rocks, meteorites, and minerals under fair compensation laws. The idea is to protect India's rich geo-heritage from dinosaur fossils to ancient metallurgical sites. But experts worry about too much power for GSI, hurdles for independent research, and conflicts with local communities over land. It is unclear as of now if this bill could affect ongoing matters like the controversy over Keeredi archaeological site. We will get better clarity once the bill is tabled. To know more on the controversy, watch our LME ground report from Keeredi. And that's it for this week. I am Azifa Fatima and this is Shortcut.